The future is relevant.
Have you ever thought about how AI is shaping our future or been curious about its origins? Let's explore this topic together and discover what lies ahead. People have dreamed about artificial intelligence, also known as AI, for thousands of years. Back in ancient times, people dreamed of intelligent machines. Fast forward to the middle of the 20th century, that dream became a reality. So what is AI? It's like a super smart computer that can think, learn, and make choices. There are different types of AI. The most common AI learns from information. Chatbots get smarter by learning from conversations they have with people. They remember what you say and use it to give better answers next time. That's called machine learning. The future with AI looks extraordinary, but it can also be a bit scary. It's a mystery that human beings, with the help of AI, are trying to solve together. This quick look at AI has been brought to you by Emerge Infovation. Stick around to learn how it's changing the human experience and making life better for everyone. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, where more fascinating videos are coming soon.